What is object-oriented design?
Object-oriented design is a way of structuring software using real-world ideas. It organizes code around objects, which are like things you find in daily life. Each object holds data and the actions it can perform. This approach helps programmers break down complicated problems into smaller, more manageable pieces, making code easier to understand and maintain.
Classes and objects, the blueprint and the built thing.
Imagine building cars. A class is like the blueprint for a car, defining its parts and features. An object is an actual car built from that blueprint. Just as you can create many cars from one blueprint, you can create many objects from a single class in code. Each object shares the structure, but can have unique details.
Encapsulation, keeping things tidy.
Encapsulation is like a smartphone case. Your phone has buttons, a screen, and cameras, but its inner workings are hidden and protected. You interact with it using its public interface. In programming, encapsulation means bundling data and methods together, exposing only what's necessary. This hides complexity and keeps code organized and secure.
Inheritance, reusing what works.
Inheritance is like family traits. Suppose you have a class called Animal with features like eating or moving. Dogs and cats can inherit from Animal, automatically getting those features. You can then add specific behaviors for each. Dogs bark, cats meow. Inheritance lets you reuse common code and build specific types by extending general ones.
Polymorphism, one interface, many forms.
That's polymorphism, means one action can work in different ways. For example, a remote control has a power button that turns various devices on or off, whether it's a TV or a fan. In programming, polymorphism lets code use different objects in the same way. Objects decide how to act based on their own specific type, making programs flexible.